In this video, I'm going to teach you how to convert zip to APK on Android. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you need to do this is any file manager. Some phones, like the Xiaomi phones, as you can see here, they have default pre-installed file managers, and you can use them if you like. However, I'm going to be using this random one I got off the Play Store. As you can see, it's called File Manager Plus. So open up the Play Store or the App Store and search for File Manager if your phone doesn't have a default file manager. You can choose any one that has a high rating, it doesn't matter as long as you have a file manager ready to use. Now, to convert your zip file to APK, open up the file manager and locate the file you want to change. As you can see, mine is stored in Documents. As soon as you find a zip file, all you have to do is hold down on it and then select Rename. As you can see here, I can access this .zip extension. What we have to do is delete the zip extension by renaming the file and adding a new .apk extension. So leave the name of the file intact, just leave it there on the left side and add .apk on the end, replacing .zip, and then press OK. And as you can see, you're going to get this prompt saying that the rename was successful and now the file became an APK file. As long as it's usable, you can install this APK as usual with any other app installers you have on your phone. I hope I was able to help you on how to convert zip to APK on Android. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.